1170am.com, welcoming you to another week of Bollywood Roundup. Every Friday, we bring you the latest stories from Bollywood straight from Mumbai with our Bollywood correspondent Abhishek Datta joining us via Skype as he does every week from Mumbai. Let's find out what's hot and happening this week. Abhishek, happy Friday.
Well, yeah, pretty much a happy Friday and a very fashionable Friday. A whole fashionable week out here in Mumbai because the Lakme Fashion Week is on. And as you can see, I'm sure you'll get the pictures out there in the US. And, you can obviously show it to all the viewers that, all the celebrities have been really glamming up the ramp out here and scorching the ramp, really looking good, looking hot, someone looking sexy, and someone looking really desi. Say, for example, yesterday was day one at the Lakme Fashion Week, and we had Jacqueline Fernandez, who was the showstopper, and she looked absolutely stunning. And she was she was at the finale show. Besides, we also had Kriti Sanon, the actress of Heropanti, who debuted opposite Tiger Shroff. Yes, and even she looked really stunning. In fact, she was wearing one of the brands from the UK. It's called River Island, and she came as the brand ambassador and the showstopper for the River Island show. Then again, today is the second day, and on the second day we had Konkona Sen Sharma, we had Sonal Chauhan, and we had Shriya Saran, who walked in the same show. And then again in the evening we had Neha Dhupia walking for a designer, and then we also had Chitrangada Singh, who was again spotted wearing a nathani. Like off late, wherever she's been going, she's wearing a nathani. So yeah, this is about the fashionable week that we've been experiencing in Mumbai. Well, as far as Bollywood is concerned, Shrija, I have to tell you that Singham returns. It got released on the day of the Independence Day last Friday, and within the first 5 days of its release, the film had managed to cross over 100 crores. So this is one of the fastest, box office money-making film that we've had in 2014. It's broken the record of Salman Khan's Kick. So you can imagine in the coming few weeks, it can actually cross 200 crores. And as far as the dialogues and everything is concerned, Singham has been a major hit, at least, in all the cities of Bombay. So Singham is doing pretty well. And tomorrow we have the second song from Finding Fanny Fernandez coming out, but that's again like a 8:30 a.m. morning event where Deepika Padukone is going to be present. So I'll let you know about the thing next week, but as of now, that's all I have for you guys because it's time to get fashionable and to earn some money at the box office.
Thank you, Abhishek, as always. And yes, great news for Ajay Devgan and Rohit Shetty with such a massive hit for them. And let's see how much money that movie eventually makes at the box office. But it's good to know Singham is doing just as well there as it is doing overseas. Thanks again, and we'll see you back here next week.
You're welcome, Shrija, and please go and have some fun watching them.
Yes, we will. Thank you. That was Abhishek Datta, our Bollywood correspondent, joining us via Skype from Mumbai. That's our Bollywood Roundup for this week. We will be back next week with our next set of stories. In the meantime, if you'd like to write to us or if you'd like to be a part of this segment, here's what you can do. Write into Nate at klok1170am.com, or you can send me a message on Facebook at facebook.com/Desi Superdrive. Thank you for watching Desi 1170 AM.